In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save time with Asana templates. If you're looking to streamline your project management and make your workflow more efficient, Asana's free templates are a great solution. These templates can be a real game changer, simplifying your project setup and helping you hit the ground running without starting from scratch every time. To get started with Asana templates, the first thing you'll want to do is create a new project. Begin by heading over to the Create button, conveniently located on the top left of your Asana dashboard. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Project. This is where the magic begins, as you have the opportunity to choose from a variety of ready-made templates that Asana has designed to cater to different needs. Once you've clicked Project, you'll be faced with a couple of options. Choose Use a Template to dive into Asana's workflow gallery. This is essentially your gateway to numerous pre-configured templates, crafted to support different types of projects and business functions. Now, the beauty of this gallery lies in its organization. You'll notice tabs at the top, categorizing templates based on different needs. Whether you're working on marketing campaigns, product launches, or even setting up a team meeting schedule, there's likely a template that aligns with what you're trying to achieve. After browsing through the categories and identifying a template that suits your needs, click on it to take a closer look. This will give you an overview of what the template offers and how it might fit into your workflow. If it looks like a good fit, go ahead and click Use Template. This is where you take ownership of the template and begin the customization process. Next, you'll be prompted to name your project. Choose a name that's descriptive enough to easily identify, particularly if you're juggling multiple projects. After naming your project, you'll also have the option to select privacy settings. This is important because it allows you to control who can view and edit your project. You may want your project to remain private or share it with a specific team. All of this can be adjusted here. Once your project is named and privacy settings are configured, there might be a few additional setup steps specific to the template you've chosen. Asana has designed these templates with adaptability in mind, meaning they'll often prompt you to fill in various details relevant to your project. Take your time here to input accurate information, as it will set the foundation for your workflow. Finally, when you've completed the setup for your selected template, click Create Project. Congratulations! You've just set up a project using an Asana template. You'll find that this approach not only saves valuable time, but also provides structure and clarity, allowing you to focus on executing your tasks efficiently.